Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to save messages on Viber. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open Viber on your phone. Open the conversation from where you want to save any message. Long press on the message you want to save. A new menu will open. Tap on Forward. Then tap the Forward button from the bottom. Select My Notes as the destination to save your message. Then tap the Send button from the bottom right corner. And the message has been forwarded to My Notes. Now go back. And you will find the saved message in My Notes. Repeat the same steps if you want to save more messages. To unsave any message, long press on it. From the menu, tap on Delete. Tap on Delete again to confirm. And the message has been deleted from My Notes. So in this way, you can save messages on Viber. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.